The sugar content is peaking now. Let's start with the topmost branches.
This load is stable, moving it straight to the sanitizing intake.
Sanitizer levels are nominal, maintaining water temperature at 45 degrees Celsius for optimal surface cleaning.
Grade 3 fruit volume increasing. Divert excess to the juice line intake immediately.
Watch for the subtle brown spotting. That needs immediate removal.
Reject anything with surface pitting. Maintain the grade A standard for this shipment.
Filter integrity is good, increasing flow to 100 liters per minute to meet bottling speed.
Brix is 10.5. Total acid is 0.7. Ratio is perfectly balanced for premium taste.
Seal integrity confirmed. 0 defects on the last 100 units. Continue to labeling. Product is secure. Final storage bay confirmed.
Clarity is at target. Routing to the blending tank, bypass the pulp collector.
Holding exactly at 95 degrees for 30 seconds. Perfect safety profile maintained.
The blend ratio must not deviate by more than 0.1%, adjusting the concentrate valve flow by 3%.
This sample goes immediately to microbiology. Check for yeast and mold counts within the hour.
Endpoint reached. Total acidity confirmed at the preset flavor specification.
The top seal integrity is critical. A microscopic gap means immediate rejection of the entire pallet.
The wrapper needs to be taut to prevent shifting during transit. Adjust the heat setting up by 2 degrees.
Pattern must alternate layers for stability. Check the interlock integrity on layer 4.
Pallet weight confirmed and stabilized. Ready for final transfer to the cold storage warehouse.
Product entering cold chain storage. Temperature stability check now.
Bay C21 verified. Batch 88, orange juice.
Inventory updated for dispatch.
Opening valve J14. Slow feed required. Begin the fresh mix injection.
Homogenizer pressure at 150 bar. Must ensure cell distribution is perfectly uniform.
The pulp ratio is excellent. It has the expected cloudiness and the correct bright, natural orange hue.
Pre-rinse cycle initiated. We must maintain absolute sterility before the next batch run begins.
Code print is clear. Verify ink density is 100% for full traceability.
One bottle with a slightly skewed label passed. Adjust the label guide wheel immediately.
Adhesive temperature is stable. Maintain a minimum of 99% uptime on the case former.
Weight variance is 0.05 kilos. We are within the legal range. Approved for palletizing.
Pattern interlock is nominal, achieving the 7-layer height with full stability.
Pallet 104 is complete. Scan and verify the manifest before it moves to the wrapper.
Batch 104 verified. Product temperature stable. Releasing for cold storage transit. Pallet secured. Priority transfer to Bay A.
Location A7 locked. FIFO system updated. All product now ready for distribution.
Reducing intake pressure to 0. Initiating the CIP sequence for the entire extraction system now.
Caustic wash complete. Initiating freshwater rinse to neutralize pH before inspection.
CIP completed successfully, documenting pH output 7.0, guaranteeing system neutrality.
Sanitation cycle passed. Initiate raw fruit feed to the juicers. We are running clean.
Oil yield is consistent with the bricks level. Seal and transfer to the cold essence storage unit.
Final sterility sample collected. This batch is cleared for filling, pending pathogen clearance.
Increasing line speed to 450 bottles per minute. Filler synchronization confirmed.
Liner material appears uniform. Any imperfections would compromise the final vacuum seal.
Torque must be 1.8 Newton meters. Recalibrate head 3. It is showing a slight variance. Sensor must register the leading edge perfectly. Start the line test, run slowly.
Tape adhesion is strong. Verify that the hot glue temperature on the secondary line is set correctly for optimal bonding.
Batch 106, destination UK verified. Releasing to the stabilization bay now.
Audio features a woman speaking clearly with a professional tone, accompanied by the loud, steady and
All pallets passed final integrity check. Begin loading procedures immediately.
Reefer pre-chilled to 4 degrees Celsius. Ready for the load, bring it out. Trailer is secure. Commencing transfer procedures, slowly. First pallet placed. Maintain spacing for airflow.
load is braced and secure. Doors ready for final closure and seal.
Seal 143 applied. This product is now officially in transit. Next stop, distribution center.
Seal integrity confirmed. Cold chain log verified. Product accepted into DC stock.
Route 3 load is complete. Double check all boxes for the supermarket delivery.
Perfect timing. Get these straight onto the floor. Our customers love this brand.
From the orchard to our store shelf, the absolute best quality, guaranteed fresh.